Hi everyone, Mohammad Hassan here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a German-based app with which you can trade cryptocurrency as well as learn how to trade cryptocurrency using simulated trading. The app that I'm going to talk about today is called the Bison app. Now this app is powered by Bose Stuttgart and its subsidiaries. So what is Bison and how does it work? The first thing is that Bison is not a cryptocurrency exchange. Unlike Coinbase, where you can trade different currencies, you can buy from different sources. Here, all the exchange is done through EUX AG, which is a subsidiary of Bose Stuttgart. So with Bison app, you do not need a wallet or a security account to start trading cryptocurrency. So the process is very simple. You register with them, get your ID verified, deposit your money and start trading cryptocurrency. With Bison, there is no trading fee, meaning whatever the amount it is written as buy, that will the amount that's being charged for you. Bison does not charge you anything and it makes its money by the margins that are between buying and selling cryptocurrency. At the moment, you can only trade Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin and Ripple with Bison. Other cryptocurrencies are not supported at the moment and I don't think they have other cryptocurrencies planned in the short term also. Now, a big point is the verification process. Again, in Germany, it's really important for the identity verification. Bison only accepts certain nationalities. They accept all of the European Union countries and certain other nationalities. They either accept your passport or your identity card. So here is a quick list and I'll be attaching the link in the description below. Now, even if you're not able to verify your identity with them, you can still use their simulated trading function, meaning you can create an account, you can start practicing virtual trading of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple from the Bison app. The registration process is very easy. Just put in your email address, password, get your account registered, install the app on your mobile phone and just start. Alright, so once you have installed the app, put in your details in and log in. Now here's the app layout. On the top is your portfolio, the portfolio value, the amount available. Here the amount is 50,000, which is virtual money. You can start simulated trading and learn how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency using the Bison app. So in the middle you have your total value. You can click the buy cryptocurrency option to buy for virtual trading, and here it's written that it's demo mode. You can click the start verification button to start the verification for your identity. Unfortunately, I'm from one of those nationalities which is not accepted by the Bison app, so I cannot verify my identity and use the full features, which is unfortunate. But maybe you are from that nationality which is accepted by them and you can start trading with the Bison app. If you click the statistics options, you can have a look at how the cryptocurrencies offered by the Bison app are performing. Click Bitcoin, see how it has been performing in the past 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, the past 12 months. And from here you can directly buy or sell your Bitcoin. So if you want to buy, just click the buy option. At the moment, one Bitcoin is 16,039 and it varies. So I'm going to buy let's say 1,000 euro worth. Click OK and send. Now this offer is valid for a small time period. You have to click OK and confirm within this time period. If it's not clicked confirm, then the offer has expired and this offer is no longer available. So you click cancel again, select the amount, click OK and then confirm within the 10 seconds. Now this cryptocurrency has been bought and executed. We can have a look at our portfolio. 1,000 euro worth cryptocurrency bought. Now if we go back to our portfolio, here it is written 1,000 euros invested. The value is 986. The details can be clicked here. Again, if you want to sell our Bitcoin, just click here and select the amount that we want to sell. So the maximum we can sell right now is 0.0623 Bitcoins. Let's select 0.01 and select. So this will be 158 euros 23 cents. Click OK and send, and within the 10 seconds we accept the offer and then it's sold. Similarly, we can buy other cryptocurrencies: Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash. We can practice our simulated trading, see how the app works, with how it is performing. You can verify your identity and start buying. Now, as I've said before, it is limited to certain nationalities. If you're not able to verify your identity, unfortunately you cannot use the real version or the version with the real money, but you can still use the simulated trading option, which is something that's great for some people who are just new to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. They can start having a look at this app and see how they can get into the world of cryptocurrency. So you don't need a wallet. Everything is stored by the Börse Stuttgart at the back end. So whatever is shown here is secured by the Börse Stuttgart, and it's not in your mobile phone, so it's not a wallet. So you cannot use this as a wallet and buy anything directly. But if you are looking for an easy way to invest in cryptocurrency, I would highly recommend downloading this app and just using the demo version first, and then see if you are happy with it and just verify your account, start using it. I found their website really helpful. Their frequently asked questions section is really detailed. You can have a look. Many questions are answered there, and it will be really helpful for you if you have many questions. Just go through them, have a look, and see if you like it or not. So if you have any questions, write them down in the comment section. I'll answer them as soon as possible. And hit the like button if you like this video. I would really appreciate if you subscribe and share this video with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Bleib gesund.